Alright, what's good, guys? I'm gonna pop off this fucking shift boot. I'm gonna paint it. Got aftermarket lights in here because fuck the yellow, that shit's ugly as hell. Alright. I've been told this is hard as shit to do, so let's do it. Bro, the whole car moved. Okay, the whole car moved there. Alright. They oiled this up pretty good. Alright. This fucking shift knob come. Nasty as fuck. Alright, anyways. This is fucking light. Dude, compared to my own, dude, the other one is literally 3, 4, maybe 4 times heavier than this. I can't wait. Then I feel good. Alright. We're gonna paint this fucking thing. We're gonna be changing the bushings of this shit soon and installing the short shifter. And we're gonna change this to a blue. So the color of this, you feel me? Because everything in here is a sky blue, so we're gonna change that to a sky blue. And then in the future, we're also gonna do all these vents right here, door panels, possibly this as well, this whole steering wheel cluster, and yeah, all the vents and stuff right here are gonna be all sky blue as well. It's gonna look nice in here, so let's do it.